So mandatory thing, who am I? I am Satyam Soni, Google Summer Code Mentee at OpenSUSE, and I am CNCF ambassador. So CNCF ambassador are basically those folks who have significant and impactful contributions in the CNCF community, and I'm also Cloud Native New Delhi organizer. So यहाँ पे कितनों को पता है कि CNCF क्या होता है? Yes sir. Mike, volunteer नहीं है? Richard, would you like to volunteer? Mike?
Hello. So let's start with the full form only. It's Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So basically this foundation, what it does is it manages the open source cloud projects. So you can just go and contribute on various cloud projects or cloud native tools, if I would say precisely. This is what CNCF does. It's a very large open source committee. Yeah.
Very precisely, you have summarized it. Abhinav sir,
Sir, hello everyone. Basically, a foundation which was started by, I would say, Google and for Linux Foundation. It helps in managing the latest container technologies evolution in Kubernetes, container, like it was initially using Docker. So all that it maintains and everyone can contribute it. Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah, that's a very good. Abhinav sir has raised his hand.
So yeah, it's Cloud Native Computing Foundation, as everybody said, and it does have a lot of projects. Kubernetes being, of course, the most popular, and Open Telemetry catching up to it. But there are also other projects which were not part of the CNCF and are being, are being inducted into a CNCF. For example, Linkerd's service mesh, which is now in
CNCF sandbox.
Yeah. So that's the thing. It depends which stage of the project is in, and a lot of things that are cloud native can be seen in this class.
Yep.
Yeah,
And
thanks.
like say, the job of CNCF is to manage all the cloud native projects and all. And there are multiple initiatives of CNCF as well, like conducting events and all. So, what was the first project of CNCF? Anyone has got any idea? Kubernetes, yes. And Kubernetes was the first project that got graduated from in the CNCF landscape. So you might be wondering, like, what is CNCF landscape? So all the projects that is managed by CNCF is placed at one place, and you can find that on CNCF landscape. I forgot to add that slide, sorry. That is, you can go and find out at landscape.cncf.io, and there you have like 188 projects in the CNCF landscape, and 26 are graduated ones, 36 are incubated ones, and 116 are sandbox ones. So anyone has got any idea about what are graduated projects, what are sandbox, and what are incubating projects in CNCF landscape? Yes.
So basically, sandbox projects are those projects that are very new to the cloud nativity. So I would say like it has not gone to that maturity stage ki it get acquired by companies, like very starting foundation stage, you can say sandbox.
Yes.
Incubated is it has got little bit of maturity. They have some contributors. It has some kind of a stability at the platform. Matured stage, you can say that it has started gotten acquired by some enterprises.
Yes, like the sandbox ones are freshly adopted by CNCF, and they are not used in production anywhere, and they do not have like a good contributor base and all. And for the incubating ones, like they are adopted by one or two organizations or enterprises, and and they have like significant contributor base. And for the graduated ones, like they are the biggest projects, and They require a lot of things to maintain, and they are also adopted by multiple enterprises, and they have huge contributor base. Like Kubernetes, if I'm not wrong, has around 3,000 active contributors. I'm not talking about all total contributors. Total contributors might cross 8K, 8,000, but the active ones are only around 3,000. So there are three aspects of CNCF, like whether you are a CNCF member or you are a CNCF contributor or you are an end user of CNCF projects. So CNCF members are those folks like who helps in building and selling the cloud native tools to CNCF and marketing it. So like there are multiple stages of CNCF members like gold, platinum members. So the companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, they are the CNCF members, and contributors are basically like you and me who go and contribute to the CNCF projects. There are multiple projects you can go and explore, like contribute.cncf.io. There you will be finding a lot about how to contribute to CNCF, and the end users, like you are not contributing to it, you are not the member supporting it, but you are using the projects made by CNCF and maintained by CNCF. So if you are new to CNCF, then you can go and scan this QR. You will get to learn about like how to contribute to CNCF, how to get it started, what are the members, what are the end user communities and all. We have to not miss updates. Like, there are multiple initiatives of CNCF maintaining cloud native projects, uh, like hosting events. So there are even the CNCF hosts events at multiple stages, like at city level, at state level, at national level, and you have international level. So city level, like we are hosting this event, cloud native community groups. If you go and check out the cloud native community groups, there you will finding a lot of cities and all. So and the state level, like kind of is the KCD ones, Kubernetes community days, and then you have Cube Day events, the national level, and international level events are KubeCons. So अभी के लिए KubeCon सिर्फ 4 कंट्री में होती है, इंडिया में पहली बार हो रही है, अमेरिका, यूरोप, basically continent, and China, and India में first time it is happening on December 11 and 12. So KubeCon co-located event CFP is closing on July 14, that is tomorrow. So if you wish to go and check out what is KubeCon co-located, what are the KubeCon co-located events, then you can go and fill the CFP. अगर कुछ भी उसमें interesting लगे and you have something to share. And open source, so CNCF has one thing also, like the scholarship thing. They promote the diversity to attend these events, and also if you are like a very good contributor or maintainer of some CNCF projects, then like they sponsor you. But this is something different. This is like open source summit. They basically promote the open source, and this is backed by Linux Foundation. So open source Japan scholarship application is closing on June 9. So if you wish to visit Japan from Linux Foundation money, then you can go and submit the scholarship. I cannot guarantee those. So KubeCon annual travel scholarship application is closing on September 1. So you can go and fill that as well. Yes, the KubeCon India CFP is live now, and that closes on August 26th. And KubeCon India scholarship to attend the event is live now, and that closes on October 13th. So I would highly encourage you to go and apply for KubeCon India CFP and scholarship. So we have a surprise for you guys since you have been attending our events. So CNCF has this thing called certifications. Like the projects in CNCF, if you are like if you are using it or if you have learned it, so CNCF provides you the certifications for that. You can go. There are certifications like KCNA and CKAD. So like KCNA proves your knowledge in cloud native and all, and CKPD proves your knowledge in Kubernetes. So you can go and use this coupon code to get the discount on the exams